there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start utilizing to help you bring more customers to your business by access your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. Just getting through, I like that you have your click to call phone number here and your contact us page that surely helps with quick conversions. You have images and some content. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and the number of keywords on a homepage. A keyword is anything someone may type in Google looking for a particular product or service. So on your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. All your pictures can be considered a content, so I recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and inserted your website into a tool we call Ahrefs. It just gives us a basic analytical view of your site. The first thing that you look at is the UR and the DR. That means the power and the trust that you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered a strong site. So if it's on the lower end and you utilize some of these tips, it will help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 182 backlinks coming from 52 referring domains or websites. A backlink, then you will find one website linked to another via an anchor text. These links act like an endorsement of your site from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Currently, you are indexed for 122 keywords and getting about 68 hits to your website a month. So let's take a look at your keywords. They are great local by intent keywords. And those are the kind of the ones that you inquiry about. The local by intent keywords are the location, the service that you provide in those locations. So you can creolize them for a location that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and I typed mechanics in your area in Google. And I see what you call the map pack in your area. And down here is what you call the organic listings. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's just because the top 3 search on Google result page receives 75% of clicks. In other words, if your business appears near the top of the results, it's more likely that a researcher interacts with your business by clicking on your URL, dialing your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there are the citations. Citations and your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per Google Business Profile. Those are then placed in various directories, such as Yelp, Better Business Beetle, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They also have their click to call phone number here, make an appointment tab, some pictures and content. I inserted them into the same tool. They are getting about 410 hits to their website a month. They have 1.4K backlinks coming from 192 referring domains. In the long run, you want to match them and beat them for at least 100. Let's take a look at their keywords. It looks like people are searching for their business name in particular. And they have a bit of local by intent keywords. Those are all keywords can utilize in different areas that you service. In conclusion, there's a high percentage of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be on those top sites. Now implement this strategy a few ways that you can start claiming Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hear from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and thanks for watching.